So Flex fam, welcome to another video. Salamat sa mga supporters dito. We're like 3 subscribers away from 2.5. Once we hit that 2.5 subscribers, mag-upload ako ng isang libreng beat. I'ma link it sa Facebook ko and I'ma post something sa Instagram para malalaman nyo. Basta follow nyo ako doon para malalaman nyo kung kailan ma-hit yung 2.5. We're gonna celebrate that with a free beat. Know what I mean? This is just gonna be a update video. Sorry if di nga ako nag-upload for like ilang araw and all that. The song is gonna be uploaded Friday na lang, the 13th. Marami akong nagawang bagay na hindi about sa kanta. Productive pa rin ako sa mga araw na hindi ako nag-upload din ng machine. Yeah, may video nga ako pero hindi nag-screen record. Palpak yung screen recording, I mean. In the future, hindi na ako mag-screen record kasi hindi naman kasi mag-workout and all that. So, sayang lang yung oras ko. Kahit anong ginawa ko, man, kahit nag-external drive pa ako, ginamit ko as a RAM or anong sabihin nun, hindi pa rin nag-workout. So, yeah. In the future, let me know na lang anong gusto nyo makita sa video, sa mga vlogs ko or sa channel na to, I mean. Besides sa mga vlogs and all that. I'm gonna be uploading 3 videos na lang in a week sa channel na to kasi time consuming yung pag-edit and pag-vlog ko. Tapos nawawala yung kasayahan ko, 'di ba, sa pag-upload. And then yeah, medyo nasa stress na din ako within those 2 weeks. So, I'm pacing myself na lang para may content at quality na kayo. Hindi na yung minamadali ko na lang yung mga edits. Know what I mean? What else? Yeah, nagbumili ako maraming equipments. Isa na to sa mga equipments na binili ko, yung light para hindi na masyado madilim dito pag nire-record ako. And marami pang darating this week. Papakita na sa iyo if ever darating na yon, mga bagay na yon. Know what I mean? What else? Yeah, may intro na pala tayo. So I'm gonna cue the intro in 3, 2, 1.
Zay's about to flex.
Obviously, yung buhok ko hindi na puti, di ba? Yung video yon kinuha yun like a year ago nung pumunta kami ng Gallery Place, Chinatown, kasama si Owen. Credits to Owen, shout out to him. Siya yung kumuha ng video yon, siya din nag-edit. Pero ako naglagay ng subscribe kasi hindi niya ginagawa yun eh, ako lang. So, noob editing, ako lang gumawa nun. Hope you guys like it though. But yeah, pag hindi niyo kilala si Owen, papakita ko siya sa the rest of the video kasi pumunta nga ako sa bahay nila. Nag-listening session kami ng Eternal Take ni Lil Uzi Vert. So, yeah. Yun lang yung mga updates na ginawa ko, okay? Enjoy the rest of the video na kasama ko si Owen sa bahay nila.
I'm just a little white boy.
Little white boy going to Mexico next week. But, bro, we're doing big things, bro. For, like, in our age, you know?
Crazy. Like, seriously, like,
We're like
18,
20
you're already gonna have, like, you're already working with huge, like, international artists, bro. That's next level.
We're gonna be lit as shit around 30. Talk about like today, like bro. Remember when I was like 19 years old, like 10 years ago, working in Congress.
We're gonna be chilling in Bali.
Yeah, Bali. If there's still Bali, if the ice doesn't melt.
Yeah.
Climate change be hella crazy, bro. Basically, but yeah. What's up, guys? Nandito na ako sa bahay ng kaibigan ko kanina pa. Say hi, Owen. If you guys been watching the vlogs, you know this guy, bro. You know this guy. But yeah, he's a photographer. Photographer siya ni.
You can put my website in there.
Oh, true. I'ma link his website down below para makita niyo yung mga artists that he works with. You know what I mean? I'm just gonna say 1 or 2. So like, which one is like the biggest? Like
The
best ones, bro.
Like the best artist?
Best artist you've worked with so
Ooh,
far.
Best artist, probably A$AP Rocky.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
A$AP.
A$AP, the G Boys, eh?
G4 Boys.
G4 Boys. Yeah, that. So check him if you like his art or like pictures. You sell it, right?
Yeah. It's on
You
my
sell it?
website. Yeah.
So you can buy it. You can just frame it on your wall. You know, he takes great pictures.
Word.
Yeah, yeah.
Like, Alexa, play Eternal Take.
No, not yet.
No,
Not yet.
no,
Not
it's
yet.
like,
Not yet. Not yet. But yeah, papakinggan namin yung album nga ni Lil Uzi Vert. I haven't listened to it even one song. He listened like 2 of them. So hopefully it's gonna be fire. I mean, it's Lil Uzi, bro. It's fire always. What the hell? Yeah. I'm not gonna record it because copyright issues. But yeah, we're gonna enjoy this. We're out. Alright guys, so ito yung mga katrabaho ni kaibigan ko. Ito yung mga katrabaho ni mga artist. Tonko. There you go.
This is Alicia Keys, Travis, Post Malone, Lil Mosey, Louis the Child, Tyler the Creator, Childish Gambino, ASAP Rocky, Lil Wayne, Carnage, Lil Uzi Vert, Her, Post Malone, what's his name? Oh man.
Okay.
Wait. Oh, it's on the tip of my tongue.
MGK, remember MGK?
No,
but he's with MJK though.
Yeah, but
He was
Young Blood.
Yeah, okay, there you go. You remember?
Rockhampton.
Mhm.
Her again. ASAP Rocky again. Travis. Alice in Wonderland.
I don't know who that is.
That's Taylor Bennett, who is Chance the Rapper's brother. That's his guitarist.
Okay.
Then that is Bob Moses.
Don't know him.
Summer Walker.
Summer Walker, I know.
Louis Child. 070 Shape.
Not hip.
It
looks like what bien, Corday.
Yeah,
You're like, for a bit, I was like, what bien?
That's Gunna.
Okay.
Young Blood again. Brockhampton again. Louis Child again.
Who's that?
Panic at the Disco.
No.
Brendan Urie. Gucci Mane.
Whoa. Who was that? Blue
This
Girl?
is, no. What's So Not?
Dylan Francis.
Francis.
This boy.
Wayne. Tiana Taylor.
Child
I
Eye.
love this one, dude. This one is
I think
sick.
they reposted this? Complex?
Nah, I wish.
Wait, which photos
Black.
they reposted?
Complex, the only one they reposted was
Except Rocky?
this one.
Oh, that one.
Yeah.
Fire. Highs in a room. Hey. But yeah, man. See? This boy got quality and quantity, bro. Look, check his website. For real.
Yeah, you can buy the prints right here.
You can buy the prints too.
$8 starting at $8.
There you go. Plug that shit.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Or you can get the big ones for $30.
I'm gonna get that. I'm gonna get one for my room.
Bro, I'm gonna give you one. Come on.
Wait, what?
Bro, have one.
What? This boy really giving me one right now, bro. But I need a frame though. Ooh.
Yeah, you just gotta frame it. It'll flatten out once you frame it, but it'll be good.
Give me a signature before you blow up. Give me a signature. Give me a signature before you blow up.
I have this one signed by Travis.
How much you selling it?
Huh?
How much you selling it?
I don't even know what it's worth. I gotta look.
See.
I didn't take that photo though. It was someone else.
But you just asked him to sign it for you?
No, I got it online. Like
eBay?
He sold it on his website. It was like,
It's lit though.
You buy it. Yeah, it's pretty hard.
But this boy giving me this.
Trying to get
Where do you think I can buy some frames? Like Bed Bath and Beyond?
Amazon's your best bet, honestly.
What's the frame size for that?
I think it's 16 by 24 or 16 by 20. If you get a 16 by 20 frame, you can just cut 4 inches off the bottom. You won't even notice.
But I don't want to do that though. Cause this is yours.
No, trust me. Just like you won't even look. You won't even notice if you cut 4 inches.
That's so good though.
Like if you cut like 2 inches off right here, boom, like that, you're not gonna notice that. 'Cause you got all that space. And then if you cut just a little, yeah, your best bet is probably you cut off the top because you want his pants in there. So if you just take like that much off, you still gonna have all the flame, all the Travis. Yeah.
I'm not gonna do that. What was the actual frame? 16 by.
It's 16 by 24.
Yeah, 16 by 24. I got you. I'm gonna buy it tomorrow, and probably get it by Monday. Thanks, bro.
Yeah, of course.
Sign it, bro. For real. Sign it before you blow up.
Sign it.
Yeah. I think I have a pen.
Oh man, do I have a Sharpie?
Sign it for real.
I need to get a Sharpie.
I don't have a Sharpie, but I got a pen.
I think I got Sharpie.
All right.
only a skinny Sharpie. Hold on. Can I do it in purple? Will purple work?
Yeah, we'll go in the back. Sign in the back.
On the back? Alright.
I mean, up to you, bro.
No. Wait, let's test it at least.
Man.
I wish I had a black one. No black one.
Man. Don't work.
Come on, I gotta have a. Here it is.
There you go.
Let's go. Oof.
Damn. Signing sessions. Thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Put the year to 2019. First signature for you.
Oof. Okay. That's my signature. You like that? It's the OL.
Oh, Piper Fire.
I should have put the P, but I didn't. Yeah.
Ooh. Now this is selling for $1,000 on eBay. I'm selling.
Let me take a picture of that.
I'm selling this. Hi Flex fam, thank you. Salamat sa pagpanood. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, share, subscribe. Yo, we're gonna hit the 2.5 by the end of the week. Promise yan. Watch out sa free beat na i-upload ko. I don't know if ano yung i-upload ko, trap ba or R&B na beat. But yeah, like na lang kayo, share niyo tong video to. We're gonna hit the 2.5, promise bro. But yeah, that's gonna be another video guys. Peace. See you guys in the next one. Beats and love, bro.